Hi, and welcome to your chair yoga portion of the mind-body section. So today we're going to be doing all of our yoga in a chair. So you do not need any modifications. Everything, this class is good for anyone at any diagnosis. So we're going to start out with our eyes closed and breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth. Just calming down that parasympathetic nervous system, bringing yourself to that state of rest and digest. Hands are going to come to our side. We're going to inhale our arms up and overhead. And then exhale our arms down. Inhaling up. And exhaling down. Nice and slow. Inhaling up. And exhaling down. Taking your right hand, inhaling up to the ceiling as far as you can. And then exhaling down. Moving to the left side, inhaling up, overhead. As far as you can, really big reach. And exhale down. Let's do this for just a couple moments. Breathing in and breathing out. You can go at your own pace here with your own breath. You don't have to follow me. Beautiful job. This time when we come up, we're going to just gaze towards our hands. So just adding that little extra element of our eyes following that hand. Very active arms here. You're pushing towards the ceiling, you're pushing towards the floor. And just moving that gaze of your eyes towards both. Beautiful job. Inhaling arms up and overhead. Clasping the thumbs together, and we're going to lean towards the right with a nice inhale and full exhale. See if you can get any further. Back to center. Switch your thumbs so the other thumb is holding on in a different way. It feels super weird. And we're going to move to the other side. Don't lean far enough that you fall out of your chair, but keep your body nice and straight. Back to center. One more time each side. Switch those thumbs and lean. Back to center. Switch the thumbs and lean. Beautiful job. Back to center, palms together, bring it down. So we're going to put our hands on our knees. We're going to exhale, chin to chest. Inhale, chin to the ceiling. Exhale, chin to chest. Inhale, looking up towards the ceiling. Now, if you have an osteoporosis diagnosis, I want you to stay here with just moving the neck in a comfortable range of motion. If you have any other diagnosis and do not experience any pain with this, I want you to go further. So when your chin comes to your chest, I want you to roll your shoulders forward with a nice exhale. And then as you inhale, shoulders open and you gaze towards the ceiling. So just exaggerating this motion a little. We're almost there. And one more. Forward and back and release. Big shoulder rolls for me. Everyone can do this. Squeeze them back and let them go. Big shoulder rolls here. Great job. We are going to take our left foot, step it out, and hinge from the hips. Chest stays forward. Lean down for a nice stretch in our hamstring. Couple breaths here, inhaling and exhaling. And bring it up, giving that knee a gentle squeeze into our chest. One more time, kick it out, reach towards our toes. And bring it up, squeeze that knee into the chest. And bring it down. Other side, kick that foot out, chest stays elevated, reaching towards our toes, and bring it back. As you can see, I can get much more range of motion with this side than the other. My right side is really, really, really tight today. Bring it down, and bring it back. Knee to the chest, up nice and tall. Down, and back, last time. Great job. So now we're going to take the right side, ankle over knee. We're going to give that knee a pull up towards our chest. So you should feel that stretch in your hip and your knee. Nice deep inhale. Exhale. If you have the osteoporosis diagnosis, stay here. For the rest of you, I want you to take your right arm and reach it towards the back of your chair for a nice twist. And a couple breaths. Great job. Bring it back to center and release. Other side, pull that knee or that ankle over that knee, pull the knee towards the chest. Couple deep breaths here. And a nice slow rotation. If you do not have the osteoporosis diagnosis, give me a nice rotation. And release it back down. All right, right side, ankle over knee. This time we're gonna hinge forward. Hinge forward and hold. We're gonna hold for 3 deep breaths. You should feel this in your hip and in your glutes. One more. And bring it up. Moving to the other side. Ankle over, chest up, lean forward. Couple deep breaths. and bring it up nice and tall. Both knees down. Take your right hand to your left knee, and we're going to inhale this arm up and overhead, moving our eyes along. If you have osteoporosis, take your right hand to your right knee and just open up that arm nice and big. You do not need to twist your head to gaze at your hands. So let's do this again. I will start with the osteoporosis diagnosis, right hand to right knee, inhaling arm, and you're getting a really big chest stretch here. And then you'll switch sides, really big chest stretch. For everyone else, we're going to take the opposite arm to the opposite knee, inhale, and then exhale, gazing to your hand, big twist rotation here, and then switch to the other side. Again, for the osteoporosis diagnosis, we just want to concentrate on the hip or on the chest expansion, and we don't want to use a lot of twisting motions. One more time, each side. Great job, hands on the knees. We're going to press into the hands and gaze, press your chest open and gaze towards the ceiling for a nice extension. And then bring it back to a neutral spine. One more time, really push into those knees, gaze up towards the ceiling. And release. One more exercise. We're going to take our right knee and move it open towards the side, to the right side. Drop the left knee down towards the floor, holding on to the back of the chair if you need. If you have knee problems, you may not be able to get your foot back this far, and that's okay. Just let that knee drop. Inhaling that left arm up and over. Couple deep breaths here. Release this and switch to the other side. So left knee towards the left side, right knee towards the floor. If you can, do the best that you can. Holding on to the back of the chair so you don't slide out. Inhaling that right arm up and overhead. You should feel that stretch in your knee, maybe a little in the front of your hip. And release, bringing it back to center. One big inhale, palms together, exhale. Thank you so much for allowing me on your journey today. Namaste, and make it a great day.